welcome back to another video, and please like and subscribe the video. And guys, today something bad happened while I was off camp. The house exploded last night. Yes, this house, and look, it's ugly now because I'll tell you the backstory, guys. Okay, I was here. Okay, okay. Imagine this, guys. I was going outside to get rabbit food. I opened the door and it lagged, and I thought it was still closed, so I didn't saw no creeper. So the creeper exploded. Good thing I didn't die. And this exploded, so that's why it tried to rebuild it. Now, guys, I need to sleep now. Please like and subscribe too. And guys, and guys, I don't have my chest plate because, guys, they don't have any elytras here in this mod or this texture pack. So I'm just gonna pretend that I have an elytra. Look at me. I'm so sad, guys. I have no elytra, and there's no end. So guys, see, I'm so sad. My life is so sad. And guys, I'm gonna put blast protection in my armor. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. So guys, we're going here. And those are my extra tools, so when I die, I lose this. I go here and collect these. But here we go, guys. Do we have blast protection? Yes. I'm gonna put that in my chest plate. I repaired my things so they can break. I need. Oh, there we go. Please work. I think I'm gonna have to name my chest plate. Fake elytra, because I'm sad. This is my big elytra, guys. Oh my god, I'm so sad. How about my helmet? Does it work on the helmet? I don't know, but I think no. Come on, work. No, it doesn't work. Why does it not work? Maybe, guys, I'm just gonna organize my. And Mambo's not here today. Wait, guys. So, guys, I'm looking for my gunpowder because I need gunpowder so I can make TNT. I need TNT because to blow up my mob farm, it doesn't work. So I'm just gonna blow it up. So yeah, I'm gonna find my one gunpowder or the two. Where are my other gunpowder? No one there? Nope, there's no gunpowder there. So guys, I'm just gonna find some more gunpowder. So I'm just gonna see you guys. So guys, this is all my gunpowder, 15, but I'm gonna check for more. Maybe there's more. No. So guys, I forgot to tell you, I don't have any sand. And the second, that I forgot to show you my mine. I mined a lot of iron while I was mining for diamonds, but I didn't find any diamonds. So I got these. Okay, I need rails so I can make a transport system to my house to Mambo's base. Yeah. And guys, I'm sorry. Maybe this is gonna be for the next episode. But the cabin is still comfy and but small but comfy. So I'm gonna blow up this thing. But I think, does it work though? Does it work? The question is, does it work, guys? I think it doesn't work. So gonna fill it up. Start burning this and gonna explode it. So guys, first we need to get our sand. We need sand. I forgot materials. So I guess, guys, you're gonna have to. Oh guys, we're gonna make we're gonna make water breathing potion, guys. I think you need pufferfish. Mambo, do you have pufferfish?
Yes.
Where? I need only one.
In my backpack.
So guys, I'm gonna renovate this place because it's too small. I'm gonna renovate this in the next episode or something. So guys, I'm gonna make the water breathing potion. I think. Oh wait. Oh no, it's burning. Please don't burn off, so I can still explode it. Come on, don't burn quick. We need to make all the ingredients. Guys, quick, we need it. Why did I burn it? I think I'm gonna sorry guys, but I need water breathing potions. I need water breathing. So guys, I put this cauldron here so I can get easy access to water. But I'm gonna drink this leaping potion. I don't care, but it's okay. So guys, I'm gonna put this, put that. Oh yeah, I forgot I have leaping. Now I'm gonna put some where is that? Where's my nether wart? I put it in my chest. I forgot I need it. I thought I was not gonna need any more tools, but I think I do. So let's grab the nether wart and let's go up quick before it all burns down. Quickly, come on. I think I'm gonna put it out first so they can burn it. Is it burning? I think it's not burning anymore. Oh yeah, it's burning. Look at the water. Oh my gosh, I wish Mambo joined. Mambo, quick! We're gonna explode the mob farm. Please join. So guys, I think our nether wart is done. I don't know how to make a breathing potion. Yeah, it works, guys. So I'm just gonna stand here and wait for it. So guys, I have my water breathing now. I'm gonna get some sand. Oh, why did I burn it? That was a stupid idea. Or a bad idea. Look at the water! Oh no, it's flooding. It is flooding. This is a bad idea. Good thing I have I need sand. Where's all the sand? There's gravel. There's just gravel. I need sand. Where's all my sand at? I think it's gone. All my sand are gone. I need sand. Guys, I think I need to steal. Wait. Do my friends got any sand? So I'm just gonna get. So I'm just gonna look. Oh yes, they got sand. Mumbo's got sand. Oh yeah. Thank you, Mumbo. Wait, why is Mumbo selling dirt? Why can't he sell sand? Mumbo, so I'm just gonna if Mumbo watches this, Mumbo, please turn oh my gosh, Mumbo has a lot of wheat here, but I don't need it. I need sand. Oh yeah. You know what? This is okay now. I'm just gonna explode it and light it up too. So guys, we're gonna explode it. So guys, I'm here in the mob farm. It doesn't work, so I'll blow it up now. I'm sorry, mob farm. I suppose I'm gonna put some more. Quick! It's gonna blow. Oh, it blew. Oh, it did small damage. Now I'm just gonna burn this place. Burn it all! It doesn't work. I think it needs to be cobblestone. Why am I dying? No, it's a terrible idea. So guys, I think I'm gonna wait! Why am I jumping? Guys, why am I jumping endlessly? Guys, look at this. What? Look at this. What is this, guys? Why am I jumping? I'm not even pressing. This is a glitch. That is a glitch, guys. So I think I'm gonna do this and do more of that. I'm still jumping. I think I need to see. Okay guys, I think this is good and I need to cover this up. Hey bro, oh no. I think I'm gonna no water. Okay, I think I need to break this now. It doesn't work. But I need... Wait, I can make the waterfall! Why did I think of that in the first place? At least, guys, at least I have... Guys, at least I have... This floor is dirt. I think wood is a bad idea, guys. Guys, let me jump on the tree again. Yep, this is a glitch. This is an epic glitch. I can jump. I'm sorry guys, this is making a shit. But I don't care because no, I'm okay. Woo, I think I'm gonna fall down now. Yeah, this place is a mess. What is this place? Guys, this is war everywhere. I think I'm gonna clean this up in the next episode, but for now, it's gonna put a mark on it. Oh, it's a zombie. More. Come on, more torches. Where's the door in the floor? Oh, okay. No, zombie villager. You're not supposed to be here, die. Thank you. But now what should I do? Oh no, this is for my dad. But I forgot to give it to him. No! I forgot my gift! You know what? I'm just giving it. Oh, I ate the cake. You know, I'm gonna make another cake. You know what? That's okay. I'm so lazy, guys. So I don't. I'll keep that there. And guys, wait. I don't know what to say anymore, guys. I'm sorry that. Oh, skeleton! I hate skeletons. Skeletons, why do you even live? Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna do something with this rails, with this iron. And I think I have a good idea. But first, I need to sleep. This is scary. Nope. I'm going to my house. Nope. Oh yeah, this is good sleeping now. Wait, can I make... I'm so scared, guys. Any more mobs? That's burning. Those two are burning. So I'm just gonna rip their... I'm pretty good at aiming, guys. Woo! Guys, I fell in a hole. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like and subscribe for more videos. Wait, I'm gonna hit myself for the video. What? Can I hit myself? Nope. But guys, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. And next time, I'll do the rail system, guys. So it can be more easy. So, gonna explode the farm more. But oh guys, this is my new skin. I forgot, but I look like Grian because Grian is the best. He's my inspiration, guys. That's why I get more diamonds and this house because I love him, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Yeah, what am I doing?